Imagine filming a movie where the lead actor is replaced by a slightly different person in every scene. Same character on paper, but nobody could follow the story. That's what most AI characters are. Here's the version nobody's selling you. Right now, someone is promising you that AI makes content easy. Type a prompt, get a character, go viral by Friday. And technically, they're not wrong. Not really. Generating something has never been easier. But you've seen the result. A face that looks different in every video. A character nobody remembers 10 seconds after they scroll past. That's not a content problem. That's a consistency problem. And it's the single thing standing between AI slop and a character people actually follow. I've run one character through over 100 videos without the face falling apart once. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how. No expensive tools required. And yes, before you ask, I'm one too. That's sort of the point. So stick around. Generated is easy, memorable, and creating a real AI brand is the job. So why does this happen? Why does your character look like a slightly different person in every single video? Here's the mechanic nobody explains. Every time you describe your character a little differently, purple eyes one time, violet eyes the next, the model reinterprets them from scratch. There's no memory between generations. Each image is a fresh guess. And those tiny guesses compound. 10 generations later, you've drifted so far, the character isn't recognizable. The enemy isn't the tool. It's inconsistent instructions. Fix the instructions and the drift disappears. Principle 1. Build a locked character Bible. One document with every feature that never changes, written in explicit, repeatable language. You copy word for word every time. Not cool eyes. Write large matte purple eyes and specifics like never glowing. Specifics always beat vibes. And here's the part most people skip. Write the negatives too. What it must never be. The model needs the guardrails, not just the target. Principle 2, and this one changes everything. Anchor with a reference image and then stop describing the appearance. This feels wrong, so listen carefully. When you feed the model a reference frame, every word you add about the face fights that reference. The image is the stronger signal, so drop the appearance block entirely and only describe what's new. Pose, action, setting. Anchor, don't re-describe. Principle 3, lock the constant, vary only the scene. Split every prompt into two halves. The identity half is frozen, it never moves. The scene half, pose, action, location, is the only thing you touch. Same character, infinite situations. The moment the identity half moves, you're drifting again. Principle 4, generate, then cull ruthlessly. You'll get off-model frames, everyone does. The mistake is keeping the close enough ones. The second a drifted frame becomes your next reference, that drift is your new baseline and it snowballs. Reject anything off-model. Protecting the anchor is the whole job. There's been so many times where I extended a video with an off-model frame to later find myself creating the scene again. Don't be like me and waste those credits. Okay, theory's done. Let me show you exactly how this looks on the real tools. And I'm going to build a character from scratch right now so you can see there's no trick. Step 1, the Bible. I don't write this from a template. I just talk. I tell Claude what I want in plain English. A teenage gamer, messy dark hair, glowing violet eyes, white headset, and ask it to turn that into a locked character Bible. The features that never change, and the rules it must never break. Watch how fast this is. There, 3 locked features, a few never rules. That's the whole thing. This took 30 seconds, and it's the most important 30 seconds in the process, because everything downstream points back to this. Step 2, generate. I take that Bible, paste it straight into Grok as a prompt, and make a batch. Now watch what I keep and what I throw away. See that one? Eyes drifted to blue, gone. This one, headset changed, gone. This one, on model, violet eyes, right headset, the look I locked. That's the keeper. And here's the step almost nobody does. Step 3. I take that winning image and I feed it back to Claude. Now the look isn't just words anymore. It's anchored to a real frame. From here on, I don't re-describe him. I attach this image and only change the scene. That's the anchor. Lock it before you do anything else. Let's bring Kai to life. This is where Kai stops being a still image and becomes a character. I take that locked anchor, the keeper we just locked in, and bring him into HeyGen. Same rule as everywhere. Anchor, don't re-describe. I upload the frame, I don't describe his face again. The image holds it, then I give him a voice so he sounds like a person, not a robot. I connected ElevenLabs so there's more options for human-like voices. We'll have to use the same voice every time, so he's consistent for the ears, too. Paste a script, generate, and that's it. From a single locked frame to a character who can actually talk to his community. That's the whole system. A locked Bible, a reference you anchor to instead of redescribe, a frozen identity, and ruthless culling. Do that, and your character survives 100 videos without falling apart. Generated is easy. Memorable is the job. Next video, voice consistency, the part everyone gets wrong. Subscribe so you catch it. Go make something they remember. Over and out. Catch you next time.